In this video, I will tell you how to install VLC media player. Just follow my step by step. After searching VLC media player, click on the VLC Video LAN official website. Now you can see the download VLC option. Just click on that. Now you can see the first three Windows option. Click according to your system. Now wait few seconds. It will automatically start downloading. After complete downloading, just click on that. Now select a language as per your wish and click on OK. The setup will pop up on your screen. Click on next. Now you can see the license agreement. If you want to read, you can read it. Click on next, next. Click on browse if you want to choose the install location. Now click on install. It will take few seconds to install. After complete installation, click on finish. And now you are ready to use your VLC media player.